Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.